holidays. It's Eric with the Crested Butte Avalanche Center. Today is Thursday, December 23rd. And as you can see, the storm has come in on cue. We've picked up around 5 inches of dense snow out here near Gothic, and more snow is on the way. Our snowpack is littered with weak layers on the north side of the compass and on the sunny side, with big snow totals forecasted for tonight, Friday into Saturday. Expect a dramatic increase in avalanche danger. Go to cbavalanchecenter.org to stay up to date.
So giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock.